green tree. Beaver dreamed of a green fish. He paused for a green tree. Can you offer me a green tree? Beaver asked. Frog. It is green beetle. Frog offers. Thanks, but I do not eat bugs. Beaver squeaked. Can you offer me a green tree? Beaver asked Eagle. It is green crab. Eagle offers. I think it would pinch. Beaver squeaked. Can you offer me a green tree? Beaver asked Mouse. It is green seed. Mouse offers. It is too small. Beaver chuckled. Can you offer me a green tree? Beaver asked Pickle. It is nice green fish. Pickle offers. I always eat yellow peaches. Beaver ran. Can you offer me a green tree? Beaver asked Seagull. It is green seaweed. Seagull offers. I cannot munch seaweed. Beaver frowned. Can you offer me a green tree? Beaver asked Elk. It is green treetop. Elk offers that it just the green fish. I need Beaver green.